Alright, hello YouTube. Here I have my second take on this Zeno. This is a pretty cool RC from Hosim, and it has a brushed motor, as you can see, running 2S LiPo at the moment. Very light, not the best or the greatest suspension out there. Has a plastic construction. Anthony is just turning the remote here. Everything here is plastic. Dog bones, everything is plastic. So we're going to go for a spin on this one. Oops! Anthony just crashed it on my foot and kind of hurt. Let's see. It's not that it's low, it goes well. Can do little jumps. Go cruising. You can see the LED lights right there in the front. See, its lights, even a 2 years old can pick it up out of the ground. He wants to play. Let's see what a 2 years old can do with this. Be careful, be careful. Turn. Anthony, go ahead and turn. All right, so let's put on the ground. Come here, get out of the street. All right, so let's put it in here. Go, drive. Oh, it's quick. It's quick. Whoa, you're doing a good job, Anthony. Be careful, be careful. Don't hit yourself. Oh yeah. Oh. That was very close. And you know the other hit, he hit me right here. Got some blood going. Not good. That was small jump. Once more, going all the way, full throttle. Jumps quite well. The suspension is really bouncy. It's either a friction spring or even not even friction. I don't know. Definitely doesn't have oil-filled shocks. We all notice that. But see, it's fun. It goes all the way around. Brakes pretty good. You wanna go for a second try? Go ahead. There you have Anthony going again. I'll try to stay close to him because if he is about to hit himself, I can just stop. He's learning how to drive. And sometimes when he's scared, he just runs to the car and check it out if it's working. All right, Anthony, go again. There is no car coming no directions, which is good. Hey, I see a car coming down the street. Let me hold this for you. Are you ready to go? Car is not here any longer. Another car over there. So I think you're good to go. Let's go. Go, Anthony. He's driving. Maybe he's going to be my driver while I record the videos here. Again, this is a new model from Hosim. I'm not sponsored. I don't have to say anything good about this. It's just an entry-level car that does pretty well. Servo is pretty fast. I don't know if this is gonna be very durable. We're gonna put it to the test. Go, Anthony. And here he goes. Oh, that was a hard crash. Nothing broke, which is good. So let me try it myself now, Anthony. Go once more, all the way. Try to jump. Doesn't do the biggest jump ever. It's not driving 100% straight either. but I can definitely adjust that. You know, this probably for a kid that is 2 years old, this controller, you cannot limit the speed. I know it's not too fast, but for a 2 years old, I would prefer to limit the speed a little bit more. The other models from Hosim, you can actually do that. You can limit the speed right there within the controller. Anthony is analyzing the quality of this RC. And hey, Anthony, what do you think about the RC? Did you like this one? He's shy to the camera, but he's gonna get used to. Let's go once more and do some jumps. Oh, that was pretty cool and nice. Again, going all the way. It almost cleared all the grass. And flipped. Can you turn it up for me? All right, self rigging as well, which is good. Always have your friend next to you, your son, and he's going to help you out. Hey, Anthony, can you help me out here? Can you turn the car for me? All right, that's good. Thank you. Thank you very much, Anthony. So as you can see, car, it's fun. Had that nasty crash and nothing broke. Even though it's light, the suspension is not that great, but because it's not too fast, you can really have some fun. All the way, and see max speed now, kind of full throttle. All the way, turning up, almost say flipped. I always wants to do that when it's really far away. Goes through the grass without a problem. Of course, cruising in the street is pretty easy. Let's go. Oh, I knew it. When it's very far from you, it wants to flip. That's the nature of this hobby. Especially if you're driving just with one hand, so not really paying that much attention. Let's go again, all the way down there. Coming back straight at us. Nice jump. Well, sharp corner, and it did flip. All right, it's pretty cool. Again, seems like if I go this way, I can probably jump all the way through here. Nice jump. I think I'm going to end this video right here. This is the Hosim, I believe, X06. Let me take all these body clips. This is the construction. It's brand new. I only used twice. Brushed really tiny motor, which by the way is very hot now. It's been only about 6 minutes, 7 minutes running, and it's quite hot. Can't leave my fingers here for over 3 seconds, so it's probably way too hot. Suspension really bounces too much, in my opinion. Servo is pretty quick. That's quick. And look at the suspension once more. It just wants to bounce because there is no damper effect. Look at the back. It's terrible suspension. But driving it doesn't feel that bad. It is fun. Drive without the body now. Right, this will do it for this one. I see you in the next one. Hopefully you like this one. Consider subscribing, ask questions. This is the second drive of this car. It's working great so far. We'll probably do some more videos with this one later. Thank you.